nation, nobody king of you. King of you. You're the
Fuck you, me don't play. Who they get? Me no kiss pussy like free.
I tell you one thing me do already, and me say it again, me kiss it already.
Slow them and be a feelings of my job. Them done for everything and them can't say themselves we are.
Who's Molly?
He not listening.
Well, whoever that was singing just now sound like the Gremlins when they was in the movie theater.
Fully outside in Dubai. There.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. They again with our next update, you know, people. So now this one we have 450 verses Jahvy from the popular podcast Let's Be Honest. So 450 in a recent times drop a song and say, yo, him not eat the thing like Frais. So I don't know if him hear about the song or what, but him just forward out on him recent podcast and just make it be known. So yo, man, this 450 them, him not rate them as artists and him not rate them song. Not only 450, but Jahvy Ambassador, that a Jahvy Ambassador, the producer for 450. Send this to two of them brawling and make them know. Yo, we have a snippet of the whole conversation. Check it out.
We have one group of people where all them posts is a bunch of fucking TikToks. From the producer to the man who carry the bag to the artist. All them posts is TikTok. And
This is the entire thing.
All day. Up in your pussy, me fuck you, me don't play. Who they get? Me no kiss pussy like free.
I tell you one thing me do already, and me say it again, me kiss it already. That's
Jay Rastaman love me and fish, you know?
Blood and them can't find a song. But you know respect about them. Even though them song them a flop like wow, matter how much money them put to a challenge, them could have put 200,000, 300,000, 500,000, song still a flop.
Yeah.
But here I'm commend them with. At least I heard the song and I could say I didn't like the song. Or I can't say I like it. My point is this, the song was properly marketed. I not say to Uno, say, if you have a brand, means you have a fine hit song. And just simply saying you still need it. Everything play a part.
Yeah.
So don't make 100 TikToks being corny. Talking about, hey Mercedes, like you're frightened for a fucking car, like, my nigga, GLED is done. Right now, Ferraris, you know what I mean? And I'm playing on your beard and all them fuckery. Them things are cool, bro. Them things are corny as fuck. You know what I mean? And I try for this podcast as when niggas can't find a song since 2023 or thereabout. But my point is this, work on a number.
I know one thing, family. You feel Jahvy does salty about the whole fact, say yo, 450 forward out and this him brawling from Jahvy Ambassador. So him just decide say yo, him just go shit on them whole process of how them go about getting music on the mainstream. We're not sure. We don't think, family. Me know no. But like our on the topic of disrespect and stylings, we see where Charlamagne, the god from the Breakfast Club, he come out and this Mali brawling. I say yo, him never like our new song, how it sound, and one bugger thing Charlamagne say about the song, yo. Yeah, my dude.
And next, I'm going to go with this Molly and Tyler record. I know the internet is not in love with Tyler, but I still really, really like Tyler.
I like her music. I don't know why they do that. And they just, niggas hold grudges so long.
Niggas hold.
Over stuff that ain't got nothing to do with them.
Yeah. Yeah. But I love her, and she just did a record with Molly, who Molly has been, I feel like an underdog in the Afrobeat world, and I'm so happy that they collabed because this is just a great record. And the record is called Body Go.
Nice.
It's cool.
Cute.
Like it's a little vibe. Yeah.
I knew you.
Y'all watch Peacemaker? On the last episode of Peacemaker, they went into a multiverse and it was all these little imps. Like these little small, little tiny creatures that was eating people. Sound like a bunch of them singing. That sound like a bunch of gremlins. And I mean that respectfully. That was not dope, and y'all are lying.
I just said it was cool.
And Tyler be making some good records, but that wasn't one of them.
That's Molly's record.
Who's Molly?
He not listening.
Why?
I thought you said
Molly just said that and just told us who Molly was.
Well, whoever that was.
Molly is on Shake It to the Max.
Shake It to the Max.
Well, whoever that was singing just now sound like the Gremlins when they was in the movie theater right before.
But why we gotta be lying? If we like it, we like it. You like stuff that we don't.
Y'all, when y'all say it's cool, y'all don't like it.
Not just said it's cool. I would tell you if I don't like it.
No,
You know what I'm saying?
maybe this is a bad introduction. She has another. You like Shake It to the Max. Everybody likes Shake It to the Max.
I don't know what Shake It to the Max is.
Hell, he don't like
That was like the song of the summer
All I
in New
know
York.
is that sounds like the first single of Gremlins 3 soundtrack.
Stupid, man.
Right, that's what that was.
You know what? It's okay. I'm gonna sing you another record by her.
Okay.
I think.
I'm sorry, Molly.
She has a unique voice.
She does.
But
Yeah, she does.
She's actually really fire.
All right, just don't feed her after midnight. That's what it sounds like.
Sorry, Molly.
All right,
I'm sorry, Molly. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So that a Charlamagne the God from the Breakfast Club people. So him just make it be known, say yo, him not too rate the sound of Moliy voice, but other people rate our voice because they can see that him co-host them, take on to Moliy and rate our sound. Because Moliy now, she had the big song, Shake It to the Max on the Billboard. So you know that a crossover song and it a going really well overseas. So a lot of people familiar with her now. So she did do a new song with Tyler, and each Charlamagne a comment and I say, yo, he never rate the sound in that song. Probably the song when him hear, I'm not sure, or the instrument where they play the song, when I'm really sure, but he must say he never like it, the kind of sound a bit squeaky and thing, but that's a theme response to it, because them one they generally been known for be blunt and straightforward, so that's how him stay naturally on a daily basis. A lot of rappers them kind of getting a problem with him just based on that, because him straightforward and blunt, him not really afraid to tell you what him think. So that does theme initial task on the song when him did hear. But Moliy did do a small video and respond to Charlamagne. As you can see me tie in the video, but you can see in a fair video she happy, she not really pre it or take it nowhere, because any promotion a good promotion, and especially on a platform like the Breakfast Club, you know, a big international platform, so them a talk about her and her music, so it's a plus for her same way, and she a feature the new song same way with she and Tyler, so it a connect. So while Moliy now really get no love from Charlamagne them, we have Vybz Kartel over at the Frais. I soak up all of the love from the fans them in a Dubai. Yeah man, the world boss still in a Dubai upon him tour. And one time I said tour is not a show tour, it's not a stage show or a musical tour, it's just a normal tour as a regular tourist, you know. Enjoy the scenery and all of the beauty with it. And know say yo, the fans them appreciate him over there too as well. Check it out, people.
Just check it. Good? No problem. Oh, I didn't know. Hey, baby. I know. That's why I need weed. Fully outside in Dubai. There?
This one thing you have to tell Dubai.
So the video you see on the screen a while ago, people, that are the Ratty Gang boss, Skeng. You know Skeng, one of the hottest young artists them right now in the game. Yeah man, Skeng, him go crazy when him perform on stage, and him be a bad tune for go along with it. You see me I did? Yeah man. And speaking of craziness, we have a video with Shelly Belly over there in Paris. You don't know Shelly Belly, I say yo, him the dancing king right now. So next topic now, we have Capleton the Fireman, King Shango, over there in Costa Rica. People, if you follow up the previous vlogs, with a vlog would show you, I say, yo, Capleton, I go shell down Costa Rica, and the fans them, I go receive him well. So said, so done.
give me the sing. Chop. Kuya, when them see me with the fire. Kuya, when me burn. Kuya, when me burn. Kuya, when them see me with the fire. Kuya.
Dash a fire, yeah. Babylon together, watch a fire also. Dash a fire. Get fire food and everybody jump again, jump. And Shango was the king of fire,
Big up Marcus Garvey. Big up Martin Luther King. Big up Malcolm X. Big up Bob Marley. Big up Peter Tosh. Big up Bonnie Wheeler. Big up Burning Spear. Big up Culture. Now, I don't have to big up Capleton. I can't big up myself. I don't say big up Capleton. Me know you say big up Capleton. Alright. Shh. Watch out. Like Marcus Garvey with me sword up on the right hand side. Till I see I in the chariot and the ride in my right. Pandy, edge of the wind, you know I glide in my glide. Well, Hitler and him friend, the whole of them a figure high. Mussolini in the back, him a slip up and slide. Dr. King Selassie, now the whole of them collide. In a Geneva conference, it took them by big surprise. Them could not take the power in a Selassie eyes. Well, although defeated everything after rise. And crown him the conqueror, the king of the wise.
So that was an epic performance from Capleton over there in Costa Rica. People, I never everything that, but that's a few highlights of where I'm going with over there in Costa Rica. Because you know King Shango go to work. Yo, may I tell you, anytime Capleton perform, is a Jaii, is a good look. And speaking of Jaii, we have Deep Jahi over there in Boston. Yeah man, Deep Jahi circle the Boston and I do a stage show, Set Speed. So we'll check out a few snippets from film performance.
Somebody them love in a bastard. Push up your hands and no. Yo, master. The sun goes out to know. You're making a crowd. Over there, come here soon. Right over there, come on the light, them now shine. They are so long, better. You feel over there, come on the stage, yourself. I said, the sun goes out to no soul. Me now big on the blood clot French in a bastard. I real bad man, them song is mercy. We don't want to sing like oh. Hey, you bastard, they don't want to sing that song. Hey, yo, DJ, remember this. Me and my friend, the boy in the same girl. Hey, never want to check it out. I'm a real friend of Japan to sing that song as well. That's why I'm singing from me. Turn your back like a more. Be friendly. We go to class together. DJ and the pass for the job. Something that lasts forever. Let no one put past the weather. Me hear the voice of motivation. Do you pass me better? You tell me sing big man. Stand to me class however. Remember back in the past life. Me you want down in the lyrics of good. And then you tell me you tell me say alright. But that point out in the sky thing like God.
So that a Deep Jahi over there in Boston, you know, people. Yeah, man, me I tell you, anytime Deep Jahi drop on the song that life goes on, is a touching moment, especially if you lose somebody where you truly love, you know, whether it be a friend or a family member. Then to hear the song, the life goes on, you just feel it to your core because you know, say, you have that person in your heart where you miss, that wound in your heart, it now go really heal over time just so. So you have to just keep strong and just keep on the fight. But when you hear songs like Life Goes On and songs like Lose a Friend and them type of songs, yeah man, tears full of your more while man. You see me? You have to just hold it and be strong, you know? So now we're going to segue from the music. We have a lady who come out and advise her concerns with NCB and also Scotiabank.
Banking system in Jamaica is trash. Trash. Both sides. Scotia, NCB. I'm normally rep for Scotia. The tour owner is trash. How can it be a situation where people are going about them business this early in the morning and you can't get for use no point of sale machine, you can't get for use no ATM, right? But yet when you charge people all of these fees for use the same POS machine and the same ATM. What are you doing with the fees? You not service no. You don't have no backup systems. It is embarrassing. Me stop to buy gas, full up my tank and can't even do no transaction because you decide to crash. You think all the time people have cash on them. It is infuriating. It is backward. It's just, I don't know. Scotia, NCB, fix it. The two of you can't down one time. Eh? It come in like say as people get paid now, we have to just draw out all that money. And just keep it put under my trust. Like what my grandparents used to do. Keep money in the yard. Eh?
Can hear the frustration in her voice, you know. It's like she got the ATM to get her food, for go to work or go up on the road or go do something important. And when she reach at the ATM, it not work and she can't get access to no funds. And you know that go once you have no access to no cash in a today's society, it come like say you're stuck one place. You see me I did? Yeah man, so you can hear the frustration in her voice. But just that I want to highlight to her, say yo, not only Scotia Bank and NCB have banks in Jamaica, but they have also other banks like First Global, you have CIBC, you have Sagicor, you have a whole heap of other choice. So don't let the Scotia Bank and NCB stigma depend on Jamaica alone. You have options, you see me? And once you look for your options, you're going to see which bank are the better choice for you. Yeah man, so if you make it through to the end of the vlog, people, just want to big you up again and tell you thanks for watching the entire episode. Stay tuned again for more updates on the channel. Man.